Hey everybody, so these are the mathematics lectures which is giving me your Aman sir. So guys, in this session we just covered the class 11th and class 12th mathematics, and first of all I would say in class 11th mathematics there are very first chapter, that is set. So in these there are many lectures for the sets. So this is the first lecture of your sets chapter. So the first lecture is representation of sets. So before starting the chapter introduction and all of that, I just instructions to you guys. In mathematics you just need a concept strong and practicing more and more questions. That's all about the mathematics. If you can follow my all lectures, exercises and all of the things in which I delivered in these sessions, you can ultimately pro in the mathematics. I believe and I assure you, you can pro with these mathematics subjects or with class 11th and class 12th chapter at least. So guys, let's start without any delay. So let's start the lecture 1 of sets. So first of all, we just understand what introduction of the sets. So in sets there are two things, first of all that is sets, and second thing is your objects. So what is object, sir? What is set, sir? So let's take a very lame example. Okay, so whenever I set sets, so set is like a well-defined object. Set is like a well-defined object. So what is well-defined, sir? So as a word suggests, well-defined. Well-defined means, if I take one example to you guys, if I take one example to you, or I say to you what is your subjects, if you are a PCM student, and I would say what is your subjects in your class 11. So you can say, sir, my subject in class 11th is English, okay, English, physics, okay, physics, chemistry, that's nice, chemistry, mathematics, very good, and lastly we can say this, physical education. So around these are the subjects of class 11th science student. So these are 5 subjects which belongs to your subject. So these 5 subjects, combination of 5 subjects is called what? Your set. That's very good, sir. It means these are well-defined subjects for you, at least these are well-defined subjects for you, which is defined your 11th class subjects and as well as your 12th class subject. That is overall what? That is overall a set. And sir, what is object? So I would say the objects are this English, this physics, this chemistry, these are the objects. So you can say, sir, the individual subjects are my objects. Okay, so let's just come on the definition parts. So we can say in our mathematical terminology, every entity in universe that is either living being or living or non-living is referred as object. So that is I taught in the set, okay, and a given collection of object is to be well defined, and that objects should be well defined and the object should be purposeful. Okay, so what is set? So a set is a well defined collection of objects. A set is a well defined collection of object is called a set. Okay, sir, the objects in the sets are its member or element. We can also say these are the objects, or we can also say these are elements, these are points, these are members of the sets, these are member of the set. So very simple. So we just denoted the sets by its capital letter. Okay, sir. There are some properties which noted to in the sets, that is, first of all, objects, elements and member are sets with synonymous terms. Synonymous, it is related to each other, not like that the sets objects are very different to each other. If I say this set and I ask the question, what about commonality in this objects? So you can say these are the subjects of your class 11th. Okay, sir. And if I talk about the B point, that is, sets are usually denoted by capital. It's not a hard and fast rule, but usually it's denoted by a capital letter. So the elements of the sets are represented by small letter also. I can say na, the elements of the sets are also represented by a small letter. Let's take some examples, guys. Okay, let's say some examples of the sets. We can also call this collections. Okay, so first example is odd natural number less than 10. Okay sir, no problem sir, this is very easy. If I can say the 10 less, the odd numbers which are less than 10, so we can say 1 sir, we can say sir 3, we can say sir 5, we can say 7 and 9. These are the number. So I can just say these collections, these objects collection, what is called, that is sets. That is your set. These are the well defined objects. These are the well defined objects. Okay sir. Second point is what? The rivers of India. Okay sir, there are total many rivers in India like Ganga, Brahmaputra, Saraswati, and these are what? These are many rivers. These are many rivers. So which is also called the well defined objects. So we can also set that sets. Okay sir. Acha, the vowels in the English alphabet. Okay sir, vowels is A, E, I, O, U sir. This is also well defined objects. Okay, so yes sir. Fourth what are the fourth point in this example? That is various kinds of triangles. Okay sir, triangles is like right angle triangle, sir, isosceles triangle, sir, scalene triangle. Okay sir, equilateral triangle. So these are the different types of various kinds of triangles na. So these collection of objects are called set. Okay, fifth point is prime factors of 210. So we can just factorize 210 with the factorization 210, we can say 7 into 3 into 5 into 2. These are the factors of 210, and I already assure you you can easily find this 210 with the LCM method. Okay, so I would just find all the prime factors. So sir, 7 is a prime number. Yes sir. 3 is a prime number. Bilkul. Sir, 5 is a prime number. Yes sir. And the 2 is also a prime number. So there have 4 prime numbers. That is 7, 3, 5, 2, which is what? Prime factor. Okay sir. The last point is solution of the equation. Sir, this is so easy. We already learn in class 10, sorry. This is the x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0, and we just factorize this for the solution. Minus 3x minus 2x plus 6 equals to 0. We just factorize na. 6 is LCM is 2 and 3, and just factorize this. So that is x minus 3 minus 2 x minus 3 equal to 0, and the factorization is x minus 2 x minus 3 equal to 0, and the solution is x equals to 2 and x equals to 3. That is very clear sir, that is very clear. So these solutions of this are 2 and 3, or the solution, all solution are also called sets. They are also called sets. So I already know that you can easily understand these sets definition or these sets examples. Okay sir, let's go ahead. We just few examples like if I say capital N, I just say guys, you can remember these signs. If I say capital N, then and you should know that this capital N shows your natural number. Okay, your natural number. Okay, if I say N is also a set. Why? The N is also a set because N have a well-defined structure and have a well-defined property. They have natural number. Natural number have a well-defined property, and where the natural number starts. The natural number starts from 1. So that is 1, 2, 3. If I can say 1, 2, 3, and so on. These are what? These collection of numbers are what? These are sets. These are set only. Okay, sir. If I told you the Z property, the Z is a symbol of the set of all integers. So integers is like all integer collection is also called set. Okay, sir, the Q is all rational numbers. The Q is all rational numbers, and I definitely know you already know the rational number, that is PYQ form. So the Q represents rational number, and the all rational number is the set. The real numbers, the real number represent with the R. So the all sets of real number is also a set. So Z plus what is represent the Z plus represent with the positive integers. Okay, so Q plus is positive rational number. These collections is these collection of objects under in set. Okay, R plus is all positive real number. What is all positive real number? So that is very simple, guys. But you remember, guys, this sign is very important. And many aspects in class 11 chapters and class 12 chapter, you have find many aspects of these signs. Okay, so let's go ahead. There are two form of a sets. Okay, one thing I told you, like in sets, the representation, this is the lecture of representation of sets. So where is the what way we represent of our set? Okay, so in set there are two form. Okay, firstly that is roster form, and secondly the set builder form. That is very good form. Okay, roster form is so easy. One funda is there for roster form. You can just give the all numbers or all condition, all objects. Like if I say, I just say for this example, okay, for this example I just say ki the objects for this set is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So in roster form what you can do? In roster form you can simply put it these objects. In roster form you can simply put it these objects like in commas 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9, and simply close with the curly braces. So this is what? This is representation of sets. In what basis? In roster form. In what basis? In roster form. That is very simple, guys. So the roster form, again I am repeating, you can give all the objects which belongs to that set, and you can just represent with the commas and with the closed curly braces. Okay, go ahead and let's just read the definition. In roster forms, all the elements of the sets are listed. The elements are being separated by comma, separated by commas and ensured within the braces. For example, that is the one example. So the set of all positive integers, okay sir, so the set of all positive integer which is less than 7. So you can say, sir, even positive integer is what is less than 7. So you can say, sir, this is 2, this is 4, this is 6, and we can just say these are the set of the particular condition. Okay, guys, so very simple. That is, roster form is so simple, है ना? One thing, most important thing, in a roster form, the order in which element are listed is immaterial. What does then immaterial mean? Immaterial is like order not necessarily strict. Like if I can say this 4 to 6, that is also cool. If I say 4 to 6 to 4, that is also cool. So these all are same set. So this is very good in roster form. Roster form is very easy. Okay, so second form is in set builder forms. In set builder form, I can say in set builder form you can giving a statement. You cannot give the whole objects or all objects in the set. You can just give the statement of for that set and ensure in the curly braces, that is your set builder form. If what is the way of representing of set builder form? So firstly we can just read the definition. In set builder form, all the elements of the set possesses a single common property. I have said if I given the single common property, then mention that single property in that form, okay, which is possessed by any element outside the set. Okay, for example, in the set, if I can say these are the roster form, and you can say AIOU, AEIOU. If I say what is the common property in this set or in this all objects, so you can say, sir, these are the English vowel. These are the English vowel. Okay. Then if I can say this is namely each of them is a vowel in the English alphabet. Okay, no one letter possesses with this property, and not other letters possesses this property. So in set builder form, for particular this example, we can just give the set builder form in front of you. What is the set builder form? In set builder form, I can just write V. V represent a set, like there have V represent a set. So V equal to X. X is what? X is objects. We can say X is objects, and we just give the colons. We just give the colons, and X is the objects which represent, like X is the definite objects, and then we just give the common property. Give the common property after the colon. After the colon, we just give the common property. What is actually X? So we can say X is a vowel in English alphabet, vowel in English alphabet. So this is representation of set builder form, alphabet. Okay, alphabet. Okay sir, that is very cool. That is very cool. If I say let's see the more example in the set builder form. I hope you understand the set builder form very conveniently, or like you have to just give in the curly braces. In curly braces, first denote one variable, that is variable which denotes your objects. Then you just give the colon, and after the colon you just give in the variable as a single common property, which allows all the objects. Okay sir. Okay, let's find the one example, guys. This is a very good example and very easy example also, guys. Example 1, write the solution set for the equation. What is equation? X square plus ka x minus 2 equal to 0. Okay sir, so I find the sets in a roster form. Okay, so what is roster form? That is RF. In roster form, I just giving the S. Okay, like I denoted the set in S. Okay, we just find the solution of this equation. What is the solution of this equation? So the solution of this equation is plus ka, that is 2x, minus ka x minus 2 equal to 0. Then we just take common x plus 2 minus 1 x plus 2 equal to 0. Then we just give x minus 1 and then x plus 2 equal to 0, and just hope we can say x minus 1 equal to 0, x plus 2 equal to 0, and this is x equal to 1 and x equal to minus ka 2. So these are two solution of this equation. So in roster form we can just clearly instruct it by commas with curly braces. So if my solution is S, then S is what? S is 1 and 2. So these are minus 2, sorry, minus 2. So that is what? That is your set of the solution. Okay sir, so this is the solution of this example. Okay sir, let's move on to the other example. So guys, as you already know, this representation is set builder form. As I already taught you, and this set builder form you can just convert into roster form. That is the question here. Okay sir, let's take an answer. Okay sir, just think. So this is what? This x is the object, or x represent what? X represent positive integers. X is a positive integer. Also, x square is always 40. X square is always 40. So let's take answer is S, or we can just roster form. So guys, take like positive integer. Okay, positive integer is 1. Okay, so positive integer is 1. So we can say this property is also hold. This property, positive integer hold, and means both properties hold. Positive integer also hold, and the x square less than 40 is also hold. Okay, sir. Okay, so x, if the x is 1, so we can give, sir, 1 square is less than 40. Yeah, 1 is, because 1 is less than 40. Okay, sir. So 1 is in set. Okay, sir. That is 2 square, equal, sir. That is 4 less than 40. That's also great, sir. 3 square. 3 square also, sir, 9. Also what? 9, sir. Okay, that is also 40. Okay, sir. 4 square, that is less than 40. That is what? That is 16 less than 40. Okay, 5 square, that is also in 40. That is 25 less than 40. And sir, 6 square also less than 40. But this is equal to 36. Okay, sir. And the 7 square less than 40, no, sir, because 7 square is what? 49, and 49 is not less than 40. So there are only 6 objects are there. There are only 6 objects are there, and the x is belongs to, not x square. There are many doubts. Students have doubt in this thing. Sir, why we not take 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 or 36 as an object? No, beta, because this objects, if I take x square here, then you can say 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36. But I take x as an object. So I can say this set answer is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is your simple set answer. That is your simple set answer. Okay, sir. Okay. Let's go ahead, guys. Let's go ahead. There are third example. That is very good question, guys. Acha, you can say this is what? Roster form. Okay, sir. This is what? Roster form, and I can convert this roster form in set builder form. I can convert this roster form in what? Set builder form. So what can I do? Sir, basically the set A. So we can just say A, and A given one variable. I can say x, and the belongs to, not belongs to, we can just say column. That is the first thing we just do in our set builder. Then in set builder we can just with the common property. If you give one look in this set, you can say this is 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, and so on. These are the property of this subject. So you can say this is the x's. You can say what is x here? What is object here? So you can say x is a square of, x is a square of what? Square of positive integers, sir. That's very good, sir. That is very good for set builder form. So we can say, sir, if the set A given to in a roster form, we just analyze and give the analyze one property, that is x is x, this object in which belong, and this object belongs to the square of positive integers. This x belongs in what? Square of positive integer. Okay, guys. Okay, sir. Let's do it for the, this is very important example, guys, and this example understand you whole things of the set builder form or roster form, and very good example. Okay, so yeah, we can just this is what? This is roster form. Okay, sir, we just write the set in the set builder form. Okay, sir, let's go the answer. If I can say S, and firstly we can just give the x and the colon. I can say that I can just give a look to that set. Okay, I can just give a look to that set, and we can just say this is the numerator. The what? Numerator of the set is like, numerator of the set is what? Numerator set is like that is if I said 1, then we can just say numerator plus 1. Numerator plus 1. If I can say 2, so then we said numerator plus 2. Numerator what? Not numerator plus 1. So we can just say 2 plus 1 is 3. So that is 2 by 3. Then so on, so on, so on, so on. So with the help of these analyzation, we just write the set builder form. Okay, sir. I can say the numbers is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If I say x equal to what? X equal to n upon n plus 1. These are the n. Okay, I can take one more variable. X is our object. X is our object, and I can say this is x equal to n upon n plus 1, and this is the formula which is applied for this set, and because n is a different variable, so we can just justify this variable also. So we can say n is less than, n is what? As n is just wait a minute, we can just say n is natural number. N is belongs to natural number. This sign is belongs to. If I say I can justify this sign in next classes, but you can say n is a natural number, and also we can say that n is between 1 to 6. That is the set builder form, guys. That is the set builder form. How I repeatedly say this set builder form? Firstly we just give the x and the colon part. Okay, if I just say what is the x, so you can just analyze the numerator part just increase by 1 with the denominator, like not the numerator part, denominator part just increase by 1 with the numerator. So that is the case here. Or the numerator limit is what? The numerator comes from 1 to 6. Okay, sir. If I say x, then we just give the x one simple formula. The x, the object, is n upon n plus 1, and where is the n belong? N belongs to 1 to 6. If I can say only this, 1 belongs to 6, then you can say, sir, n 1 to 6, so we can just give the n 1.5, then 1.5 plus 1.5 plus 1, and we can say 1.5 upon 2.5. That is also true. I am saying this is not true because these are what? Natural numbers. So we can understand this. We also give this statement also in our what? Set builder form. You also if you not know that sign, you also written this state as a n is a natural number. Okay, so you can just give n is a natural number. So this is whole what? This is a set builder form. So very good, guys, very good form. Okay, you can just practicize more question in set builder form, and you easily understand, you easily thoroughly exercise this set builder form, and very simple form are there. Okay, so yeah, so next example is example 5, that is match each of the following set on the left described in the race roster form with the same set of the described in set builder form. You are all known in this time. This is what? This is roster form, and this is what? Set builder form. This is what? Set builder form. Let's see, guys. Let's see. So in roster form, we just match in all the roster form. So principal, if I take principal, then and this is very well known, like X is a letter of the word principal. So if I take this into the match, that is very evident. Okay. Second is 0. 0 is what? Like this one. See, just read it out. This is x is an integer, and x plus 1 equal to 1. So that is only condition. X must be 0. So the set is a singleton set also. The set is a singleton. Singleton means there have only one element in the set. Okay. So yeah. So this is C. Okay. 1 2 3 6, what is the, okay, so you can just take a look in for the A option. A option is what? A is a positive integer, and divisor of, matlab like divisor is what? Divisor is factors, okay, factors. So what is, not exactly factor, we can just say what is the number which can divided into the 18, okay, with the definite remainder. So we can say 1 2 2 is a divisor, 3 is a divisor, 6 is a divisor, 9 is a divisor, and 18 is a divisor. Not say the factors exactly, not say the factor exactly, you can say the divisor part, okay. So yes, this is the A, and ultimately the B option is what? The x is an integer, and the x this is the condition for x also. So you can just say, sir, x square equal to 9. X, what is the value of x? That is plus minus under root 9, that is plus minus 3. You also known, and that in 10th class also, this square comes in under root, and under root comes with plus and minus, the plus and minus. So this is the definite set value, which is the definite set objects, actually the objects, which is what? 3 and minus 3. Okay sir, let's start the final example. Okay sir, so sir, which of the one? This is a very good understanding example. Okay, so in this exercise first, we can just take a look for this exercise. First of all, which of the following are set? Okay, justify your answer. The firstly we can just look, and you can just pause this video and take 10 to 20 seconds and think about it, then come on this exercise part. So firstly, the collection of all month of a year beginning with the letter J. Okay, I can say this is the set, and the month with which just begin with the J letter, which I define in this set. Okay, so that is what? That is January, that is June, and that is what? July. That is July. There have any other month? No. So these are the well defined set. And the set are Jan, July, Jan, June, and July. Let's take a second question. The collection of 10 most talented writers of India. So if I can say this, then your favorite writers are different, my favorite writer are different, and some another person favorite writers are different. So this is not the fixed set. So I am just saying that is not well defined. If he say your 10 most talented writers, then it is maybe well defined. But this is this question asked is commonality question. Okay, so commonality question is like well defined with your case, well defined in my case, and well defined in universe case. Okay, so universe case, this is not well defined, so this is not under in set. This is not under in what? This is not under in set. Okay guys, this is not under in set. Okay, let's come on the part third question. The team of 11 best cricket batsmen of the world. That is also depends on the person to person. That is also depends on person. Like my favorite is Virat Kohli, my favorite is David Warner, my favorite is many other cricket player, but your favorite is favorite or best cricket in your terms, it is different. So this is also not well defined. This is also not well defined. Okay sir, so set is no set. Okay. Okay, so the fourth question is what? Fourth question is the collection of all boys in your class. So guys, the if your class in your class, he can say your class. So if your class is 30, then it's a definite collection, na? And you must be all known all the name of your class. So this is the set or what? Yes, this is the set. This is a set because this is what? This is well defined. This is well defined. Okay sir. The collection of all natural numbers less than 100. Okay sir. 1 2 3 from what? From where? From 9 till now till 99. Till 99 these are the set of all natural number that is less than 100. Okay sir, okay sir. Let's come on the sixth part, the collection of novel written by the writer Munshi Premchand. That is also well defined, because the Munshi Premchand writes all the novels in a indefinite novel. No? The novels not differ with the person to person, because if I can ask you the Munshi Premchand novel, then it's also same with respect to me. So this is also a well defined. This is also a well defined sets. Okay, okay, sir. The collection of all even integer, that is also well defined, and sir, because the even integers for you and me is also same. So this is also well defined. Okay, well defined. The collection of questions in the charter, the collection chapter. This is not chatter. This is typo mistake, guys. So this is chapter. So the collection of questions in this chapter. So we can just say, if I can say the definite questions. So this is also a set. This is also a set. The questions, if I given the sheet to you guys for explaining this, then you can say, sir, this sheet have a 10 question. Then I can also say this question at 10 seconds. So that is not different from my side and your side, na? So this is also a well defined. The collection of most dangerous animal of the world, that is something not well defined. That is something not well defined, because I must say I am afraid with the dogs, and you say you love dogs. So these are the collection which is not well defined. Okay, which is not well defined, which is what, which is changing person to person, which is changing person to person. So this is not a set. This is not a set. So all about this representation of set, guys. I hope you are well known with the sets. There is an introduction part of the set. So guys, I hope is good for you, and this class is interesting for you. For at least give the startum for a 11th class, and give the startum of this chapter. So guys, let's see to the another class. Bye bye, tata, see ya.